Did you know that there is an invisible energy that surrounds and influences every aspect of your life? This energy, known as the energy field, is present in everything you do, feel, and think. Yet, few people truly understand its importance and how to harness it to improve their health, emotions, and even personal goals. Let's explore what the energy field is and how it can be the key to your personal transformation and well-being. Have you ever heard that you can completely transform your life with just 15 minutes a day? Imagine having a simple yet powerful technique at your fingertips, one that can unlock your potential, align your energies, and attract exactly what you desire most. And what if I told you that all this can be achieved through something called the 555 technique? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of energy fields. And by the end, you'll learn how to use this transformative technique to create real, lasting changes in your life. Stay until the end to discover how this practice could be the key to everything you've been seeking. The human energy field is an invisible yet powerful system that surrounds the physical body and affects every aspect of our existence. This field, known as the aura, is made up of several interconnected layers, each with a specific function. The aura reflects our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual states, and is closely linked to the chakras, the energy centers within the body. To better understand this, think of the aura as an energetic cocoon that extends beyond the physical body. Some people can sense this energy field as vibrations, warmth, or a slight pressure around the body. Although invisible to the eyes, the aura plays a crucial role in regulating our health and emotional balance. It serves as a bridge between the body and mind, connecting the two realms and allowing for a constant, harmonious flow of energy. The aura is composed of 7 distinct layers, each corresponding to one of the 7 major chakras. Let's explore each of these layers and how they connect to different aspects of your life. Etheric body, root chakra. This is the layer closest to the physical body, linked to the root chakra, located at the base of the spine. The etheric body governs your physical health, vitality, and survival instincts. It forms the foundation of your energy. When this layer is out of balance, it may manifest as fatigue, weakness, or physical illness. Conversely, when in harmony, you feel energized and capable of tackling everyday challenges. Emotional body, sacral chakra. The second layer of the aura, connected to the sacral chakra, reflects your emotional state. Here, you can see how feelings such as joy, fear, sadness, or passion directly impact your energy. A healthy emotional body allows you to express your feelings in a balanced way, while a blockage in this layer can result in suppressed or exaggerated emotions like anxiety or apathy. Mental body, solar plexus chakra. Connected to the solar plexus chakra, this layer houses your thoughts, beliefs, and mental patterns. The mental body is responsible for your logical reasoning and decision-making abilities. When in balance, you experience mental clarity and an active yet calm mind. A blockage here can lead to confusion, indecision, or obsessive thoughts. Astral body, heart chakra. This layer is associated with the heart chakra and influences your relationships and ability to love. The astral body is where deeper emotions, especially those related to compassion, affection, and forgiveness, are manifested. When healthy, this layer fosters meaningful and empathetic relationships. A blockage may make it difficult to express love or maintain close connections. Etheric template, throat chakra. Linked to the throat chakra, the etheric template reflects your personal expression and creativity. This is where your true essence resides and your ability to communicate your thoughts and feelings authentically. When in balance, you can express yourself clearly and confidently. Blockages in this layer may result in difficulties communicating or sharing your ideas and feelings. Celestial body, third eye chakra. Connected to the third eye chakra, the celestial body is related to intuition and your connection to spirituality. This is where your spiritual perception and inner wisdom are most evident. When this layer is strong and balanced, you experience heightened intuition, deep insights, and a clear connection to your higher purpose. When blocked, you may feel a lack of purpose, spiritual confusion, or a disconnection from your intuition. Causal body, crown chakra. The outermost layer of the aura is the causal body, linked to the crown chakra, the the center of spirituality and connection to the universe. This level contains all the information about your spiritual journey and the lessons you came to learn in this life. A balanced causal body brings a sense of peace, unity, and connection to something greater than yourself. A blockage here can result in feelings of alienation, depression, or a lack of meaning in life. The interconnection of layers and chakras. These 7 layers of the aura are all interconnected. A blockage or imbalance in one layer directly affects the others, creating a domino effect on the body, mind, and spirit. When your energy field is strong and aligned, it expands, radiating vitality, emotional clarity, and spiritual balance. However, a weakened or imbalanced energy field manifests as a cloudy or contracted aura, bringing with it physical, emotional, and mental symptoms of imbalance. How energy blockages affect us. To understand how energy blockages deeply impact our lives, it's important to first recognize that our energy doesn't flow in isolation. It is an interconnected network influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When there is a natural, healthy flow of energy, we experience mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical well-being. However, when this flow is interrupted or blocked, the consequences can be significant. Understanding how to restore energetic flow is essential for those seeking emotional, physical, and mental balance. Our vital energy can become blocked due to stress, negative emotions, trauma, or limiting beliefs. However, ancient practices such as meditation, pranayama, controlled breathing, yoga, and tai chi offer effective tools to unblock and revitalize our energy fields, promoting well-being and harmony. In this guide, we will explore key techniques to restore and maintain energetic balance, empowering you to live a healthier, more centered life aligned with your goals. Meditation, the foundation of energy rebalance. Meditation is one of the most powerful practices to restore energy balance. It directly affects the mind and body, reducing stress and allowing energetic flow to normalize naturally. Through meditation, you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, which makes it easier to identify and dissolve energy blockages. How does meditation work in the energetic field? When you meditate, your mental focus shifts into stillness and presence. This process reduces excessive brain activity, often causing or amplifying energy blockages. Meditation regulates emotions, quiets the mind, and enables energy to flow freely through the chakras. Meditation techniques to restore energy. Mindfulness. Meditation. Focus on the present moment, observing thoughts, sensations, and emotions without judgment. This practice connects you to your internal energy and helps detect subtle imbalances. Guided meditation. Use visualizations to unblock energy in the chakras, such as imagining bright lights flowing through them, releasing blockages and revitalizing your aura. Transcendental meditation. Repeat mantras to achieve a deep state of relaxation that allows for natural energetic cleansing. Practicing meditation for even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can help clear energetic blockages and maintain a healthy energy field. Pranayama, the power of conscious breathing. Pranayama is a breath control technique used in yoga that aims to expand and channel vital energy, prana, throughout the body. The word pranayam comes from prana, life force, and ayama, control, meaning the control of vital energy. When practiced regularly, pranayama clears blockages, promotes relaxation, and increases energy flow. Why is breathing essential for energy balance? Breathing is directly linked to our nervous system. By controlling your breathing rhythm, you regulate the autonomic nervous system, promoting calm, relaxation, and better energy circulation. Conscious breathing directly affects the chakras, removing blockages and allowing energy to flow freely. Most effective pranayama techniques to restore energetic balance. Victorious breath. Inhale deeply through the nose while slightly constricting the throat, producing a soft sound. This calms the mind, restores energetic balance, and enhances inner strength and control. Alternate nostril breathing. This technique alternates breathing between nostrils to cleanse energy channels, nadis, promoting balance between the brain's hemispheres and smooth energy flow. Breath of fire. A vigorous technique that expands lung capacity and removes accumulated energy toxins, activating the solar plexus, responsible for willpower and personal strength, and unblocking stagnant energy. Pranayama not only purifies and balances the energy field, but also promotes inner peace and lightness, making it an essential tool for well-being. Yoga, balancing body and spirit. Yoga is a physical and spiritual practice that, through postures, asanas, breathwork, pranayama, and meditation, connects the body, mind, and soul. Regular yoga practice helps unblock stagnant energy, promote physical health, and balance the chakras. How does yoga work on the energy field? Each yoga posture is designed to stimulate energy points in the body, stretch muscles, and open energy channels. Twisting postures, for example, help wring out and release blockages in the solar plexus and lower chakras, while heart-opening poses activate energy flow in the heart chakra, helping release repressed emotions. Asanas, postures to unblock energy. Mountain pose stabilizes the base and balances the root chakra, connecting you to the earth and promoting security and stability. Warrior pose strengthens willpower and determination, activating the solar plexus chakra, responsible for personal power and action. Bridge pose opens the heart chakra, releasing hurt and facilitating the flow of love and compassion. Downward facing dog promotes energy balance throughout the body, stimulating prana circulation and revitalizing the energy system. Regular yoga practice harmonizes body and spirit, paving the way for a more balanced and healthy energetic flow. Tai Chi, meditation in motion. Tai Chi is a Chinese practice combining gentle, slow movements with controlled breathing and mental focus. Often described as meditation in motion, Tai Chi is highly effective in unblocking energy and promoting balance, both in the body and mind. How does Tai Chi unblock energy? Tai Chi is based on the idea that vital energy, Qi, must flow freely throughout the body to ensure health and well-being. The smooth, continuous movements of Tai Chi stimulate Qi circulation, removing blockages and maintaining energetic balance. It also fosters a deep connection between body and mind, helping to calm the mind and harmonize emotions. Main benefits of Tai Chi for the energy field: improved Qi circulation. Tai Chi's fluid movements promote energy flow, unblocking stagnant areas and strengthening the flow of vital energy. Stress reduction. Tai Chi balances cortisol levels, the stress hormone, calming the mind and releasing energetic tension. Body-mind harmony. The practice improves coordination and strengthens the connection between the physical body and the energy field, helping maintain constant energy flow. Tai Chi is a powerful tool for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective way to restore energy balance and increase resilience to stress. The idea that we can shape our reality through energetic alignment is rooted in both ancient spiritual traditions and modern concepts like the law of attraction. The principle is simple. The energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and intentions creates a vibrational frequency that attracts experiences, people, and circumstances that resonate with that frequency. In this section, we'll dive deep into the concepts behind manifestation and understand how aligning your energy can turn your desires into reality. Manifesting isn't just about thinking positively. It's about creating a strong, cohesive energy field that aligns with what you want to attract into your life. Mastering energy balance is a continuous journey of self-awareness and practice. By incorporating simple daily habits like conscious breathing, meditation, and positive visualizations, we can create a more balanced, healthy, and fulfilling life. The true power lies in understanding that our energy shapes our reality. And by learning to control it, you can transform your life at every level.